Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the laptop. Don't waste time. Remove any USB devices now. Once powered off, flip the machine, remove the service hatch or back panel, and keep screws organized in a labeled container. Make sure to ground yourself by touching metal or using an anti-static strap so components aren't damaged. You'll need the correct screwdriver and the replacement battery on hand. This prevents interruptions and reduces the chance of stripping screws or misplacing small parts later. You'll now expose the battery and identify its connector and fasteners. First, loosen any screws or unclip retention tabs. Once done, lift the battery slightly to access the cable. Carefully disconnect the battery cable by pulling the connector housing, not the wires, because tugging wires risks damage. If adhesive secures the pack, slide a plastic pry tool underneath gently to release it. Make sure to note alignment, foam pads, and any thermal tape, so the replacement sits correctly and cooling paths remain clear. You're finishing by placing the new battery into the bay, aligning contacts and any foam pads, then reconnecting the cable firmly until it clicks. Once secured, reinstall screws and close the panel, making sure no cables are pinched. Reconnect the charger and power on. Check battery status and charging indicator in the OS. If the battery isn't detected, make sure the connector is fully seated, reset or update BIOS if needed, and if still failing, test the pack with a multimeter before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.